Welcome to our video on the growing threat of USAA bank fraud. As always, financial security is paramount no matter what. Recent surges in USAA bank fraud cases have raised significant concerns within the community. USAA bank fraud has become a pressing issue, with counterfeit checks and insider collusion targeting older customers. This alarming trend necessitates a deeper investigation to protect USAA bank customers. If you're a member of the USAA Bank community, you understand the importance of financial security. Unfortunately, recent fraud incidents have raised questions about the safety of accounts and the bank's overall reputation. USAA Bank has long been recognized for its commitment to serving military members and their families. However, recent fraudulent activities have cast a shadow over its otherwise stellar image. Statistics show a noticeable increase in fraud cases targeting USAA Bank customers. These incidents range from unauthorized transactions to identity theft, posing a significant threat to members' financial well-being. USAA Bank has responded by implementing advanced encryption technologies and multi-factor authentication processes. They also encourage customers to monitor their accounts and report any suspicious activity immediately. The repercussions of fraud extend beyond individual account holders, impacting the entire USAA community. It erodes trust in the banking system and leads to financial losses and emotional distress. USAA Bank has faced criticism for poor customer service, particularly in handling disputes and complaints. Many customers report dismissive attitudes and slow response times, leading to frustration and anxiety. Customers have also encountered difficulties accessing support during critical times. Long wait times, unresponsive online support channels, and lack of availability during non-business hours exacerbate these frustrations. Negative responses from USAA Bank highlight a disconnect between the bank's commitment to member satisfaction and actual experiences. Addressing these issues through improved customer service could restore trust. Many USAA Bank customers have taken to social media to voice their complaints. Platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Reddit are flooded with posts detailing negative experiences and unresolved fraud cases. For example, a search on Reddit of USAA bank fraud will turn up numerous complaints, concerns, and a whole lot of customer venting. The power of social media has amplified these voices, putting pressure on USAA Bank to respond and act. Public scrutiny forces the bank to acknowledge issues more promptly to avoid further reputational damage. Victims of fraud face legal challenges beyond financial losses. Reporting fraudulent activities to law enforcement, cooperating with investigations, and pursuing legal recourse are essential steps in seeking justice. USAA Bank customers should report fraudulent activity immediately and request an investigation. If the bank fails to respond adequately, consider escalating the matter to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Legal options for fraud victims include filing reports with local law enforcement and the Federal Trade Commission. Preserving all communication and documentation related to the fraud is vital for any legal proceedings. Every fraud victim should file a report immediately with the appropriate authorities and preserve all relevant documentation. Protecting yourself against financial fraud involves enhancing security measures, monitoring account activity, and understanding legal recourse options. Persistent vigilance from both the bank and its customers is crucial. For USAA Bank customers who have fallen victim to fraud, understanding the available legal options is crucial to navigating the aftermath and seeking justice. One of the first steps is to report the fraudulent activity immediately to USAA Bank and request that they initiate an investigation. Under the Electronic Fund Transfer Act, EFTA, and Regulation E, financial institutions are required to investigate and resolve unauthorized electronic transactions in a timely manner, typically within 10 business days of receiving the notification. If the bank fails to respond adequately, customers might consider escalating the matter to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, for further assistance and potential penalties against the institution. In addition to working directly with USAA Bank, victims should also file a report with local law enforcement and the Federal Trade Commission, FTC. The FTC collects data on fraudulent activities and can provide valuable resources and guidance to fraud victims. Reporting the incident to these agencies not only helps in building the strongest case, but it also contributes to larger efforts to combat fraud on a broader scale. Victims should preserve all communication and documentation related to the fraud, as this evidence will be vital in any legal proceedings. Thank you for watching. By staying informed and proactive, you can safeguard your financial assets and maintain confidence in your financial institution. Please visit our website at stampoutscams.org for our full blog post on this topic. Be sure and like this video and subscribe to Scam TV. Thanks again and take care.